Hotel room in Phoenix, 2:45. Sleep, she ain't a lover that'll come and cover me. So I breathe slow and close my eyes, staring at a sunburned sky. Feeling like an outlaw out here on the run, kicking up the dust and trying to have a little fun. But I'm thirsty as hell, the wells run dry.